What is going down, everybody? Today we are up here in the top secret Bam Lam location working on the A-100 project. We're going to be doing the HushMat. This will just be a quick video installing this stuff. We have never done it before. I've used other products like it, but we wanted to try something different, something made in America. So let's get into it. All right, so we're an hour into it. We got getting real close to meeting in the middle, but stuff's super pliable. Yeah, it definitely goes around like all the bins and stuff like that. Really, really nice. So that's what we've got done so far. Pontius has got his side trimmed in, so we're gonna have to probably take quite a bit of time getting around all the pedals because we're gonna go all the way up to that top side over there as well. And this about sums up working with Pontius. So I'll bring you on in here, let you see this side. So this side, he obviously tackled one side, I tackled the other. We got this thing banged up. I don't know, we're gonna do it probably an hour and a half. And we got all the floor done. He's got that other side of the firewall started. He's gonna go ahead and do this side. But yeah, I think this should work great for definitely what we're needing, that noise and that heat reduction. So I figured bringing on in here on some of this application, all we're doing is literally just using razor knife. Stuff cuts super easy, and if Pontius can apply it, that means literally a 4-year-old can do it.
Glove.
So he's just finishing out around the steering column. I'll bring you on and show you. So we ended up getting the bulk kit. This is how it comes, you know, nice package, and we have a ton left over. We did not measure as we should have, because we were possibly going to do the headliner, which we still might, because he's going to be getting a headliner added in, so that'll all get covered up just to
doghouse.
And definitely still have the doghouse to do, which that's getting prepped, and he's going to be painting that hopefully sometime this week. So definitely got plenty to do the project and some more for another project, but there's the claim to fame right there. Noise reduction 50% and reduces heat up to 40. And obviously we were looking for the heat reduction because you got the dang old motor in there with you, cooking you like a couple of chimichangas.
She's an easy bake.
Easy bake.
She's an easy bake.
Minus the light bulb.
Throw the steaks on top of the doghouse on the way to work.
Where are we going with this one?
One more.
So we're doing the taco fold and then
Taco Del Mar again.
Okay.
Go as high as you can.
Okay. But you want it lapped, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ouch, that's sharp.
There's a pin there.
Yeah, you said a pinhole, not a pin. There's two big differences. One's a hole and one's a poke. Is that from the Dodge emblem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're gonna come out later.
Yeah, well,
Difficult.
just, you never know. I don't know, is it quieter? It's warm?
Yeah, it doesn't bing bong.
Is it warmer? Is it colder?
Blacker.
All right, so that's one more thing checked off the A-100 build list. It was an awesome day hanging out with old Pontius and Mr. Dan, and the product, that HushMat, it was super duper pliable, which I really, really enjoyed. I've installed some other stuff on other builds in the past, and it was not nearly as pliable. It was a lot harder to get into those tight spaces. And on that A-100, the firewall has a bunch of different contours. It has like the inside sets of where the headlight buckets are and all sorts of different stuff like that. And that stuff was able to just go right around it. We didn't have to heat it. We didn't have to do anything. So install, awesome. Really, really liked it. We still have to see about the noise and the heat reduction, but I'm sure it will do exactly what it says. So if that's something you guys are looking for, I'll throw a link in the description. You can go check them out, see if that's something you want to give a whirl. One other thing, thank you for watching these videos. It motivates me to keep doing them. The whole point of Built to Beat is to just show people that You don't have to have your own shop and have all this knowledge, because I don't. We're just doing it for fun. We enjoy cars. We enjoy getting them back on the road and having fun. So if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, hit the like and hit subscribe. And there is a ton more to come. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.